And the anchor.
So you want to use this as a hook. Okay, and then the tablecloth from the Dollar Tree, and we already painted this kid's play set. You want to glue that on the tablecloth, but how do you want to hook these two together? How are they going to hook?
Glue.
I know. So it's going to hook just right there?
Yeah.
All right. Hi, this is Legacy. She's trying to come up with a craft project for the kitchen. It's April 1st, Monday. So this is what she has. A Dollar Tree anchor painted silver. We do have copper on the other side. She decided we'll go with silver. And then we painted the Dollar Tree little kids section, chef, serving bowl, and spatula, and another spatula. And then the Dollar Tree tablecloth. Okay, so I'm going to help her glue because we're going to use hot glue. Continue.
Like that.
Let's see how you did. Okay, now. Okay, here, you hold the camera for a little bit. Like this. Okay, give me the camera. Now remember, you cut a little hole right there. Yep, a real tiny hole. There you go. That's all you need. Now open it up. And there's your beginning of your flower. Isn't that cute? Put them together. She decided to make a flower for her art piece. So she took apart the tablecloth and she's going to make paper flowers now. She has to cut a hole, so she has to place all these together. Here's another one. Put them all together. All right, now that's your first section. Set that aside. Set this aside. You got to make another section. Remember, the flower is going to get a little smaller. Okay? So she cut up her little leaves out of the tablecloth. We added the pipe cleaner and did add a little bit of hot glue. And then you have to crimp the center so the holes, they don't go through. Now show us how you make the flower. She goes each layer and she scrunches it.
Like this.
Mm-hmm.
You put one hand on the layer, on all the layers, which is here, and then the other hand gathers the next layer, which is this.
Okay, keep going. Good job. Keep going. I'll record.
It starts to get really loud.
Wow, look at that. I think that's the first time anybody's ever made a flower out of the checkered pattern tablecloth. Now, since you've placed all this together, where do you want to place your flower? And then I'll glue it for you, but you tell me where you're going to put it first. Pretty. You want it right there on the bottom of the anchor?
I don't know where to put it. I just wanted to make this.
You just wanted to make it? You don't want to put it on this piece? Okay. So we'll take pictures of when we put it up on the wall, and thank you for watching.
Maybe right here. Maybe right here.
Is that where you want it?
What do you guys think? Comment down below.
Comment down below. You only have 6 subscribers.
It's not funny.
I know. That's why you have to make more videos. Okay. All right, we'll figure it out, and then we'll put it up on the wall and take a final picture. This is all Dollartree and Miss Legacy, age 8. That's her creation.